welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. I'm excited to share with you today. I've received my new set of TitanForge knife set, and I got 3 that I got here today. One is a chef's knife, the other one is a butcher knife, and I'm going to demonstrate this one today. And we also got a filleting knife, and this one is great if you got full fish. But right now I'm going to cut up some vegetables and just get this knife going. So right here I got my chef's knife. It's got a beautiful tip, which is great for when you want to start from the point and work your hand backwards. It's got a lovely gripping handle, lightweight, razor sharp, and your end sharpened. And this one here, this butcher knife, this one is great for cutting up big articles like your pumpkins, your melons, a big cabbage, or whatever. I just love it because it's got a good grip. And as well for the filleting knife, I'm excited to get this one going as well. But right here today I'm just going to cut up a few vegetables and just show you that. As you can see, I mean, this knife is razor sharp, and I'm excited to use it on Bonita's Kitchen moving forward on our new videos. And this here today, we're just going to put the butcher knife down through our pumpkin and cut that one open. I will share the links for TitanForge for all of their knives if you're looking to get a set, and they all come separate. This is exciting for me here today, having these knives sharp, razor sharp, and of course for the professional chef or for just us own cooks that just wants a nice sharp knife to cut through our melons, our pumpkins, our cabbage, you name it. This is it, as good as it gets. And sharpened, ultra grip, lightweight, everything we need for using in our kitchen. So again, if you enjoyed watching this demonstration today and you want your set of TitanForge knives, you deserve it. I'll share the link with you. You can order yours today. So thank you once again for joining Bonita's Kitchen. From our kitchen to yours, you have a wonderful day.